New developments in the case of a former Salt Lake City police officer accused of slapping a female colleague during a training event. Chief investigative reporter Wendy Halloran examines why the case took so long and also why it was suddenly dismissed and what it cost taxpayers.
Well, Heidi, after almost 4 years, the Salt Lake County District Attorney's Office asked the court to dismiss the case against Jeff Loosle. He was charged with 2 counts of sexual battery, and now the entire case is disposed and with prejudice, meaning it can never be refiled.
I think it's shocking.
The court docket is long, indicating a lot of manpower was dedicated to this case. On May 4th, 2022, court records show the victim was attending training when her colleague, Salt Lake City police officer Jeff Loosle, allegedly slapped her on the butt so hard it jolted her. When she turned around to see who it was and blurted out an expletive, she said he slapped her again. The Salt Lake County District Attorney's Office criminally charged Loosle in October 2022 with 2 counts of sexual battery, a Class A misdemeanor. 1 month before he was charged, Glen Mills, chief of staff for the Salt Lake City Police Department, says Loosle was placed on paid administrative leave for approximately 13 months from September 2022 to October 2023. At that time, Transparent Utah shows Loosle's salary with benefits was roughly $144,555. Former Salt Lake County Sheriff Jim Winder.
It's a significant impact. So to the citizens, it's a major impact.
On Monday, June 8th, almost 4 years later, the prosecutor asked the judge to dismiss the case.
It's extremely problematic for our criminal justice system. 2 Class A misdemeanors should not take this period of time.
I asked Salt Lake County District Attorney Sim Gill why. In part, he stated because the victim in the case expressed she did not want to destroy the defendant's life, but wanted him to understand that his behavior was not acceptable. The defense counsel and our prosecutor, with input from the victim, arrived at a resolution that involved an informal diversion where the defendant had to attend classes, complete community service, and write an apology letter. How much time and money was spent on the prosecution? We don't track the costs of each individual case because each case has its own life with multiple variables and parties impacting how fast or slow a case moves. With no concrete costs, Winder maintains.
It should be a lesson to us all that we need to be more diligent in resolving cases for everybody's benefit.
Now, I further asked DA Gill if this is normal to have a case involving 2 Class A misdemeanors go this long. His response, this case was heading toward trial, but because prosecutors and defense counsel were not able to agree on a resolution, it wasn't until late last year that the informal diversion idea was proposed by prosecutors with the support of the victim. Now, Sky Lazaro, Loosle's defense attorney, said, quote, "We do not have further comment on it." Heidi?